Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to recover unsaved changes in Bluebeam. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to open Bluebeam Review after the unexpected shutdown or crash. Now if Review detects these recoverable files, the document recovery dialog should appear automatically when the application starts. Now this window lists documents that contain unsaved changes, so you actually have nothing to worry about. Also, in the document recovery window, review the list of recovered files, then select the document you want to restore, then click Recover. Now, Bluebeam will open the recovered version of the PDF with the unsaved changes that were captured by the recovery system. So as soon as the document opens, carefully review it to make sure that all the expected markups and edits have been restored. Immediately save the recovered document by pressing Ctrl S or by selecting File at the top right corner of the screen and selecting Save. So if you want to preserve the original file, you can choose File and you can choose Save As and save the recovered version with a different name. If the document recovery window does not appear automatically, just reopen the PDF you're working on and check whether your recent changes were saved before the crash. If auto recovery captured your work, then Review may still prompt you to restore it when the file is opened. Now, if no recovery prompt appears, verify that auto recovery is enabled. So go to Review, or you click on Review, head over to Preferences, click on Preferences, then from the General tab, which is the first here, just go ahead and head over, click on Options, then confirm that Enable Auto Recovery is turned on. Let's see. Okay. Now, if you do not find, I'm going back to General. If you do not find Enable Auto Recovery, you are going to find Open PDF on Startups, and you have Reopen Files from last session on Startup, and then Open Homepage in Web app on Startup. So check this box. Make sure that this box has been checked and don't forget to get in OK. And so this picture is temporary data to help restore all after an unexpected shutdown. Now, if the document still cannot be recovered, check whether you have a backup on anything stored on your computer, network drive, or cloud storage service. That will capture its auto recovery feature before the application closed unexpectedly. So to reduce the risks of losing work in future, keep the your PDFs regularly without interruption, especially during lengthy time. So go over to the bottom, get acquainted with the steps, and make sure that you to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you.